Hi, my name is Marko Horbatsch. I'm a theoretical and computational physics professor here at York University. I was educated in Germany, in Frankfurt, Germany. I got into physics, you could say, as a kid. I started experimenting a lot, reading books about all kinds of things. But my education involved a lot of classics, like Greek, Latin, very good math education. And so I was torn whether I should go into math or into physics as I entered university. Well, that eventually settled itself, and I went for theoretical physics, but a new field had emerged called computational physics that emerged at the time. And so in terms of physics subjects, my interests are in collision physics, in heavy ion collisions, and here you see on the picture a picture from the GSI, Heavy Ion Accelerator in Darmstadt, Germany, which was just about completed as I completed my graduate studies. In this lab, one is able to store barely stripped uranium ions, that is, uranium atoms where all the electrons are removed. And the field that you create is extremely intense. And what one wants to do is one wants to bring two such nuclei very close together, and then one gets a super field that is so strong that particle-antiparticle pairs, like positron-electron pairs, would be created. And I have done, with my graduate students, we have done some calculations on predictions about that. My other interests in the last 5 to 10 years have been in physics pedagogy, first in computational physics. I've published a book on quantum mechanics using Maple, and in the last 5 years I've concentrated on first-year physics, the use of clickers in the classroom, and so I enjoy that a lot. One of my anecdotes in first-year physics involves teaching students about the right-hand rule. Turns out that many students use their left hand to apply the right-hand rule, and I have a son who is a left-hander who is a physicist, and we were once debating, and I said, "What hand are you using?" He said, "Well, I know how to flip the sign."